This video is going to be about how many 2x4x8 can you fit in a Toyota Camry. Those of you who own a four-door sedan like Toyota Camry know how small the car is. Just wanted to test it out to see how much 2x4x8 can I actually fit in. So I went to my local Home Depot and I picked up 2x4s by 8, not knowing how much I could actually fit in there. So I always knew that if I can't fit enough, I could always return them. So the key thing with buying the 2x4 is you want to look straight down to see if it's bent or not, because some of them, if people move them around, they do get bent, and you'll have a hard time cutting and you'll have a hard time installing. So it's very important when you pick them out, make sure they're straight. I mean, you could actually tell by looking at them. Make sure they're straight, they're not bent or anything. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm getting started. I'm putting the seats down and everything. You don't always have a big car or a truck to do handyman stuff. So if you own a small car and you're able to fold your car back, you could fit 2x4s in there. I've carried sheet trucks there as well. You just cut sheet trucks in half, maybe cut it, make 3 cuts or something. But these 2x4s, so far, I'm able to fit them in. But I had to spend some time to make it properly, place it. I had to make them all compact. I just didn't randomly put them there, So I started from one side and I filled up as much as I could. Then I started the other side and I was able to fit 24 of them. So I used this seat belt to strap it all down in case while I'm driving, it moves, then I would have a problem, So it'll distract my driving or, some things might happen. But I'm confident nothing will happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.